Hey everyone, today we are going to be learning all about bar graphs. We have done these so many times, so I know that you're going to have no problem with these. A bar graph is a way that we can organize our data. So today you're going to be asking family and friends for some information, and other times you're going to just be using the data that is already there. So today we're going to be working on bar graphs, and bar graphs are ones that you guys have used lots of times before in class. We use them when we checked out our eye colors. We've used them when we have marked off how many teeth we've lost. We also marked them off when we asked the question, what is your favorite season? So this is what we're going to be doing today with bar graphs. The first one is you are going to be calling some friends and family, just like we have in the other ones. And the question that you're going to ask is, what is your favorite season of the year? And you guys know your seasons. We've been working on this all year. Is it winter, spring, summer, or fall? So if Mrs. Thatcher thinks about herself, I'm going to say that my favorite season, because I love, love, love to go swimming and love going to the beach, my favorite season is summer, and then I also love fall because I gotta come back to all of you guys, and I just love the weather also, but I can only choose one because it says favorite, so I'm choosing only one. So you're going to ask your friends and your family what's their favorite season, and that's the question that you're going to be asking, and each response gets one bar filled in. Remember that we start from the bottom and we fill up. And then there's questions on the bottom. How many people like winter best? Well, if we did it right now, it would be 0. But I'm sure there's some people in your family who like winter the best. How many people like spring the best, fall the best, summer the best? Which season is like the most and which one's like the least? So you're going to be collecting the data for this one and then graphing the data. And then at the bottom, what you're doing is you're called analyzing the data. You're thinking about the data and what does it mean. On the other pages, the data's already collected for you. So you're graphing it and you're analyzing it. So over here, you're going to count how many laughing, crying. Oh my goodness, they must have told a funny joke. How many people are laughing till they're crying? And you're going to use tallies just like we did in lesson 1. You're going to use tallies to collect your data. So you're going to count how many? 1. I'm going to mark it off because I often lose track. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then I'm going to show that in my tally marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 going across, 6, 7. Once I've done all my data, I make it into a bar graph. So I'm going to color 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and it has a title, Emoji Faces. I just did a really quick job. You're going to make sure that's colored in really well. You're going to do that for all of your emoji faces. You're also going to do the same thing for school supplies. You're going to count how many. The data's already there. The information's there. Put tally marks to count, and then graph the data in a bar graph is what it's called. And then you're going to answer the questions. You're going to analyze the data, analyze the information. What supplies there are the most of, what supplies there are the least of, and color the supply that you like best. If Mrs. Thatcher would do it, I think I would do the journal. If you have any questions, you know where to find me. Talk to you guys soon.